Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome to Ageless Beauty, where style knows no age, and every woman deserves to feel fabulous, no matter where she is on her journey. I'm so excited you're here with us today, because we're diving into something that's going to make you look and feel your absolute best. Today, we're talking about a topic that so many women have asked about: those subtle blouse mistakes that can age your look and how to fix them. We've all been there, trying to look effortlessly chic, but sometimes our clothing choices can do the opposite without us even realizing it. But don't worry, I'm here to share 7 common blouse mistakes that could be holding you back and how to easily switch them up for a fresh, modern, and confident vibe. Whether you're heading out for brunch, a casual day at the office, or just enjoying a day with friends, these tips will help you make the best fashion choices that reflect your true beauty. And the best part, these fixes are simple and easy to incorporate into your everyday wardrobe, so you can start feeling fabulous right away. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We've got tons of style tips and tricks coming your way, and you don't want to miss a single one. This channel is all about embracing your style, your confidence, and your timeless beauty, so let's make every moment shine. Alright, let's get into it and help you look your ageless best. Mistake 1. Oversized boxy blouses. One of the most common fashion mistakes I see with women over 60 is opting for oversized boxy blouses. While they might seem like a comfortable choice, they can unintentionally add bulk and remove definition from your figure, which can make you appear heavier or more shapeless than you actually are. When a blouse is too loose and boxy, it tends to hang straight down from the shoulders without any structure, and that can overwhelm your natural shape. As a result, it can make you look older and less polished. The issue with these oversized styles is that they don't highlight your natural curves. Instead of giving you a flattering silhouette, they hide the body's natural lines. As we get older, our bodies change, and sometimes we may want a little more structure to help highlight our best features. Boxy blouses can sometimes just create a sack-like look, which can lead to feeling less confident in our clothes. But don't worry, the solution is simple. Instead of those oversized options, look for blouses that are gently tailored or softly structured. A blouse that skims your body without clinging too tightly will give you just the right amount of shape and definition. Look for fabrics that have a little more structure, like cotton blends or light linen, as these will hold their shape and create a clean, elegant line. Another key element is balancing proportions. Pair your tailored blouse with slim-fit pants or tailored jeans to create that perfect balance between flowy on top and fitted on the bottom. This creates a flattering, proportionate look that adds sophistication to your outfit while maintaining comfort. So tell me, do you love the relaxed, effortless look of oversized blouses, or do you prefer something more tailored? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Let's help each other create looks that make us feel fabulous and confident at any age. Mistake 2. Outdated patterns. When it comes to fashion for women over 60, one common pitfall is sticking to outdated patterns that can unintentionally age your look. We've all been there, reaching for those tiny florals, faded plaids, or busy prints that seem comfortable and familiar. While they might hold sentimental value, these patterns can overwhelm your frame and make you appear older than you actually are. Tiny florals, for example, can get lost on your body, making you look smaller or drab, while faded plaids and loud, busy prints can create a cluttered effect that doesn't highlight your natural beauty. The good news is that there are plenty of fresh, modern alternatives to keep your style youthful and polished. Instead of sticking to those dated prints, opt for more contemporary patterns, like modern geometric shapes or larger floral. These patterns have a bolder, cleaner look that's flattering and energetic, without overwhelming your frame. A large floral print, for instance, can add life and vibrancy to your outfit, but be sure to choose one with a more streamlined design that ensures it doesn't get too busy or chaotic. Another great choice is solid colors, which can be incredibly flattering and can make you look more put together. If you still love a pattern but want something timeless, classic prints like polka dots or subtle stripes can add interest to your outfit without overwhelming your frame. Polka dots especially have a playful yet sophisticated feel, and stripes, whether vertical or diagonal, can add length and definition. When choosing patterns, scale is key. Avoid prints that are too small, as they can make you look swamped or faded. Likewise, prints that are too large can be overwhelming and take attention away from your face. Instead, aim for a balanced scale that complements your proportions and enhances your overall look. So what about you? Do you have a favorite pattern that makes you feel fabulous? Share it with me in the comments below. I'd love to know what patterns you're loving right now. Let's keep this conversation going and inspire each other to stay chic and confident at any age. Mistake 3. Busy collars and excessive ruffles. When it comes to blouses and tops, one fashion mistake that can age your look is opting for large bows, ruffles, or overly layered collar. While these details may seem playful, they can actually crowd the face and make the neckline appear shorter, which draws attention away from your natural beauty. These heavy embellishments can add unnecessary bulk around the upper body, making you look overwhelmed rather than elegant. The extra layers and frills can also compete with your face, rather than complementing it, leaving you feeling less confident in your outfit. So what's the solution? Look for blouses with clean, simple necklines that frame your face and elongate the neck. Necklines like V-necks, scoop necks, and boat necks are perfect for creating an elegant and flattering silhouette. A V-neck, in particular, is great for elongating the neck, while a scoop neck is soft and feminine. Boat necks offer a sophisticated and timeless appeal that balances the upper body. For those who love a little detail, opt for subtle, elegant touches like a delicate pleat or a small keyhole cutout. These small details add visual interest without overwhelming the look. They're a great way to elevate a blouse while maintaining a streamlined, chic appearance. Additionally, choose light, flowy fabrics like cotton or silk blends that maintain the structure of the blouse without feeling stiff or heavy. These fabrics will drape beautifully and allow the neckline to shine, without adding extra bulk. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite neckline that flatters your face and neck? Is there a particular style you always reach for? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Mistake 4. Short capped sleeves. One common fashion mistake that can be unflattering for women over 60 is opting for short, capped sleeves. While they might seem like a cute casual option, these sleeves often draw attention to the widest part of the upper arm, making it appear fuller than it actually is. Since they cut off right at the shoulder, they can create a harsh line and draw focus to an area we may not want to highlight. Instead of flattering the arm, short sleeves can emphasize its width and add unnecessary volume. But don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives that are both stylish and flattering. Consider 3/4 sleeves, flutter sleeves, or elbow-length sleeves. These lengths not only elongate the arm, but they also create a balanced, graceful look. 3/4 sleeves, for example, hit just below the elbow and offer a slimming effect, drawing the eye to the slimmest part of the arm. Flutter sleeves, which gently drape and move with your body, add a touch of softness and femininity without being restrictive. Elbow-length sleeves are another excellent choice for creating a harmonious and elegant silhouette. The key to making these sleeve styles even more flattering is choosing fabrics that move with the body. Soft, drapey materials, like cotton blends or light jerseys, will flow gracefully, allowing the sleeve to complement your body, without clinging to areas you'd rather keep more subtle. Avoid stiff or overly structured fabrics that can highlight the wrong areas and create a boxy look. So what do you think? Do you prefer the flowy elegance of longer sleeves, or do you stick to shorter options? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below, and share your favorite sleeve length. Let's inspire each other to feel confident and beautiful in our fashion choices. Mistake 5. Sheer or clingy fabrics. When it comes to fabrics, sheer or clingy materials can often be unflattering for women over 60. While they may seem stylish in certain settings, sheer blouses can reveal undergarments or highlight areas that we may prefer to keep more subtle. The transparency can sometimes be distracting and draw attention to areas of the body we may not want to emphasize. Clingy fabrics, on the other hand, tend to hug every curve and line of the body, which can create a less polished look. Rather than offering a smooth silhouette, these fabrics may draw attention to things like tummy lines or the texture of the fabric itself. But don't worry, there are plenty of great fabric alternatives that offer coverage and structure, without compromising on style. Cotton blends, linen, and silk alternatives are all fantastic choices for blouses. These fabrics provide a bit more weight and structure, which helps smooth out the body's natural lines, creating a more flattering, polished appearance. Matte fabrics, like a soft jersey or crepe, are also great options as they don't cling to the body, but still provide a sophisticated, comfortable look. If you love the airy feel of sheer fabrics, consider layering a light cami or tank top underneath. This provides coverage, while still allowing you to enjoy the lightness of the sheer blouse. A simple, neutral-colored cami will give you the coverage you need, without compromising the blouse's flowy feel. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite blouse fabric that makes you feel comfortable and confident? Share it with me in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and help each other find the best fabrics for our fabulous ageless style. Mistake 6. Too many buttons or heavy embellishments. When it comes to blouses and tops, too many buttons or heavy embellishments like large buttons, sequins, or chunky beads can quickly overwhelm an outfit, creating a cluttered look. These bold details can draw attention away from your face and disrupt the flow of your outfit. Rather than highlighting your natural beauty, they can distract from the overall harmony of your look, making it feel busy and less polished. Instead, embrace clean, minimal designs with subtle accents that maintain a modern and chic vibe. A blouse with a single row of delicate pearl buttons or a soft lace trim can add just the right amount of elegance without being fussy. These simple details are timeless, adding sophistication without overwhelming the overall silhouette. A blouse with a smooth, streamlined design will naturally draw attention to your face, allowing your features to shine. Choosing simple, refined details not only keeps the look elegant, but also versatile, making it easy to pair with other items in your wardrobe. Remember, less is often more. Subtle embellishments add charm while maintaining a polished and flattering appearance. I'd love to know if you prefer minimal designs, or are you someone who loves a little sparkle or embellishment? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and get the conversation going. Mistake 7. Wrong length. The length of your blouse can make a huge difference in how your proportions are perceived, and choosing the wrong length can unintentionally distort your figure. Blouses that are too long can hide your natural shape and make you appear shorter or less defined. When a blouse falls past the hips, it can overwhelm your frame, making you look boxy and lacking in structure. On the other hand, blouses that are too short can create awkward lines, cutting the body at the wrong spot, and drawing attention to areas you may prefer to minimize. The key is to find blouses that hit at the right spot for a balanced, flattering silhouette. A blouse that lands mid-hip is a great choice for most body types, as it defines the waist without overwhelming the frame. For a slightly more relaxed look, tunics that skim the body work beautifully when paired with slim-fit trousers or skirts. This combination helps maintain a streamlined, elongated silhouette, while the tunic provides a gentle drape that flatters without clinging. To style these lengths, pair a mid-hip blouse with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt to keep proportions in check. If you opt for a tunic, balance it out with slim bottoms to avoid feeling swamped by fabric. So how do you like your blouses to fit? Do you prefer longer, more flowy styles, or something shorter and more structured? Share your thoughts in the comments below. So there you have it, 7 blouse mistakes to avoid, and simple solutions to help you look and feel your best. To recap, steer clear of oversized boxy blouses that hide your shape, outdated patterns that can date your look, and busy collars or excessive ruffles that overwhelm your frame. Short capped sleeves can draw attention to the widest part of your arm, while sheer fabrics and clingy materials may highlight areas you'd prefer to keep subtle. Heavy embellishments can clutter your look, and incorrect blouse lengths can distort your proportion. But the great news is that making small adjustments can have a huge impact on your confidence and style. A well-fitted blouse, the right fabric choice, and subtle details can completely transform your look, helping you embrace your beauty at any age. Remember, style isn't about fitting into a mold, it's about feeling confident, comfortable, and proud of who you are. You deserve to feel fabulous every day, no matter your age. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ageless Beauty for more style inspiration. I can't wait to see you rocking your ageless, beautiful self.